For warrior two, we're going to start in mountain pose. You're going to take the left foot back. And on mountain pose, we want to actually turn the back foot parallel with the back of the mat or at a 90-degree angle from you. This is a hip opener. Front foot is forward. Toes are facing forward. We want to make sure we pull the knee. If the knee is coming in, we want to pull it back with our quadricep over the ankle. Back leg is straight. We're going to bend that front leg. We're going to go ahead and bring up your arms. You can do palms down, or in Holy Yoga, we'll do palms up. As we are receiving the Lord, we're also showing that we are surrendering to Him. Gazes forward. You want to make sure that your shoulders are down. You don't want your shoulders up. Make sure your shoulders are down. Belly is engaged. In other words, you want to make sure that you're pulling your navel in towards the spine. This pose, warrior two, helps improve digestion and circulation. Coming out of that, we're going to go ahead and do the counter pose, which is downward dog. Let's go ahead and turn the back foot. Put your hands down, take that right foot back, and go ahead and do downward dog. Then go ahead and walk it forward. We will do warrior two on the other side. So now we will step the right foot back. I'm going to turn that back foot to that 90-degree angle or parallel with the back of your mat. Bend in the knee. Make sure that the knee is pulled over the ankle. Pull in the navel towards the spine. Arms are up. Gazes forward. You can also do palms up. Make sure that you are pushing down on the outside of that back foot. Go ahead and release that. You can go ahead and do that counter pose again, turning that back foot forward, hands down, go up to plank, and then down dog. Go ahead and walk that forward. Great job. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.